Okay, I think no one is going to bother us. Now we can relax on this couch.
Guys! Guys, I need to tell you something.
Oh. Toad, what do we say? No, running in house.
Well, I have a question. Is it okay I run in the house?
N-O spells no. Puppycorn just said not to run in the house. Now leave us alone. We're trying to relax.
I don't care anyway. I'm just gonna dance on your heads.
Get off of my head now.
You're grounded for 1 month for dancing on our heads. This means no Teen Titans Go for good.
Go to your room right now.
Ugh, I hate you three.